that I have over here. So I have 12 plugs that I can use to run the TV, the DVD, the VHS, the CD, the clock, the radio. And right now we're only pulling 19 watts, okay? And what it's running is the clock radio over there. You can see the green lights on the air conditioner, and I'm going to turn around here behind me, and I'm going to turn it on. There we go. Right now, the temperature when I turned it on is 85 degrees. It's 85 degrees. It's on low fan, low cool on the fan. It's not on the cool mode where it's using the compressor right now. It's just using the fan. This is a little thermal gun. It's by Ryobi, and you can use it to check the temperature of things, like this television's 83. The regulator right now is 89. The DVD player's up here is 85. My inverter's running at 86. The power usage meter's using 48 watts right now to run this air conditioner on low fan. Okay? We dropped from 12.4, we're down to 12.2. It's pulling 47, 48 watts. Well, that inverter takes 2 amps and 24 watts, so you can add 2 amps to whatever you're running, and you can add 24 watts, so 24 to 48. Right now we're running 72 watts. We're at 12.2. Let's see how the temperature is going to change. Then we'll do is shoot it back into the air conditioner on the back wall. Drop from 85 to 84, and that's on low. What happens if I turn it up to high fan? And there we go. High fan, now we're pulling 57 watts plus 24 is 81 watts. We're still at 12.2. Starting to cool down in here. I can feel it on my back. We'll see what's going to happen to the temperature. So welcome to the Solartoolman channel. Or what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to run things on solar. What type of panels, what type of inverters, how many batteries, or do you need batteries at all? Let's turn on the TV. TV just took us up to 96 watts, plus the 24 for the inverter. How many amps? Well, all we got to do is click up in here, just drop to 12.1. And right now we're running 1 amp, plus the 2, we're pulling 3 amps. It dropped us down from 12.2 to 12.1. So everybody's saying, oh, well, it's just going to suck it up and I'm going to be out of power. No, what we're going to do, I'm going to turn on a DVD player. And with the DVD, there's other videos that I shot that I didn't have a chance to put out on the web because I was working 16 hours a day. I was working at Harbor Freight and I was working at the Home Depot. They called me a man of many hats at the Home Depot because I would sell all kinds of tools for all different types of vendors. So right now, we're at 1 amp, plus 2 is 3 amps. We're running the DVD player, we're running this television, we're running that clock radio CD player, and I'm running this fan behind me, this air conditioner behind me. What do I have to run it? Well, I got some batteries outside.
Welcome to the first International Solar Workshop.
This is the first video that I shot.
Solar panels and the use of this power usage meter by Ryobi.
I was looking for a sponsor.
By using solar.
And I couldn't get a sponsor in 7 months because I was too busy working. So I'm asking now. I'm looking for a sponsor. I can show products. I can educate the world on what to do and how to do it, and be safe and be smart and how to save money. So think about it. If you're interested, contact me. And I just turned the voltage regulator on. What we're going to do now is plug in the positive to the positive side here of the solar panel, and the negative to the negative side, and it's showing that we have 21.9 volts coming in off the panels. See how you do that? So even though we've got a 25-foot lead, we have 2 panels coming in, hooked into one main line coming back 25 feet, we still have 21.9. Now when you hook up these voltage tests, see how it's going up to 21? You want to hook the positive first, which is red, and then the negative second, okay? When you unhook it, unhook the negative and then the positive. So to test it, touch the positive first and then the negative. That's the hook up power. When you unhook power, take off the negative and then a positive. Okay? So now what we're going to do is show you what we have on the other side, which is the battery. So we're going to go positive and negative, and we have 12.2 volts right now. Unhook it, negative, positive. Hook it up, positive, negative. 12.2 volts, and it'll climb because we got 21 volts coming into the regulator. And that's pulling 25 feet, so I'm pleased with that. That's how you test your check to make sure the system's working.